colleague Julia Rice. We work for Sanctuary Group, and so what we're doing is doing a talk in relation to how we use the system. We've been using the system for quite a few years now, so previously we used a lot of different systems, and this has just sort of integrated everything into one. So we're going to talk about the benefits and how we use it.
The reason we sort of went with Radar in the end is because it sort of fit so many people's requirements. It meets the requirements for the legal team, the health and safety team, insurance, and obviously individual business areas as well. And the most important thing for us is to identify trends, assess the risk, and then allocate resources to address those risks, either through training, education, and things like that. So it is a really vital tool for us to manage the risk.
One of the really sort of key takeaway points for me was really spending considerable time thinking what you want your dashboard to look like, what tiles, what information do you want visible on that dashboard. You want it to be quite succinct, so you don't want lots of tiles because then all the information gets lost, just as it does in a report. So spending time thinking about that, comprised of things that it takes them quite a long time to find in a report. It's instantly there for them on the dashboards. And on the dashboards as well, you've got those filters as well, so you can drill down into a specific date range you're interested in, particular region, and then also location as well. So it's very quick.
Falls is our primary area of risk concern. So Amy's been working on the dashboard to support with analysis of falls. An example of what a manager used to do is they used to have printed reports of falls, and they used to put them in piles of which day they happened, so they could see which day was the most common. On Radar, that is there right in front of a click of a button, so it really does save that time.
We need to always have at the forefront of our mind what we want to get out of this dashboard. So yeah, involving as many people who will be using the dashboard as possible, and then sort of going from there, really thinking about what graphs to show, what tiles, and then ultimately what we can do to drive those improvements.